Just had another batch of fries. And they protecting me. This is about 7 days. Look, 7, 8 days, 9 days after they laid, and now they've hatched, and got them. They got the brew up and swimming around. See if I can get a better shot over here. Oh, here we go. Oh, wow. See all them babies? And the mama, she's going crazy because I'm too close. She's like, get back. I just wanted to show that. She said, get back. Okay, I'm going to get back. And Daddy, he's going after the other female over here. Like, get back. Look at her. She's mad. She is mad. Okay, I'm out. I just had to take that. One love, YouTubers. She is mad.